Hi, good afternoon.
Yes, very good afternoon, Ravi. How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
Yeah, I'm also doing well. Thank you so much for asking. How was your morning? What did you do?
I just woke up at around 11:30 in the morning, and then I
Mhm.
started occupying with making videos and with my lunch, and yeah, that's how it actually went.
Okay, okay. And I know you are also a YouTuber.
Hmm. Yes.
Okay,
Yeah. Let's have a brief introduction then.
sure. So should I start first?
Yes, please.
Yeah. So I'm Priyanka, as you already know. I'm from Gurgaon, Haryana. I have done masters and I also run my YouTube channel. The name is Speak with Priyanka Kataria, where I'm uploading conversational videos, sometimes some solo videos related to English only.
Mm-hmm.
And my hobbies are I love talking to people and I love uh, reading books. Yeah, and I'm teacher too. This is about me.
Oh, great. I can relate to you because I was a teacher once. Uh, that's
Mhm.
how I started my career actually. Great.
Okay. So right now you are not working anywhere. You're just focusing upon your channel.
No, I work as a full-time communication trainer in a BPO sector.
Okay.
Yes,
Where? Online or offline?
it's offline. It's an office. I have to go to the office and uh, help people,
Okay.
agents especially.
Okay.
Yes. So yeah, let's talk about you in detail. You said you did your master's, right? Was it in English medium or like English specialization or any other streams?
Yes, my whole academics was in mix. Like so, till sixth, I studied in English medium, then shifted in Hindi medium. Then I have done my graduation in English literature.
Mm-hmm.
So that was also in English, but medium of speaking was Hindi only.
Oh.
Then I took admission in MBA. There we used to speak in English only. Like
Mm-hmm.
in France, we used to speak in Hindi, but when it comes to giving presentation and talk to teachers, that time we try to use English, tutti frutti English.
Oh
And
yeah.
so
Yeah.
this is how my education went. Not so,
Mm.
no, I cannot say it was totally English or totally Hindi. It was
Mm-hmm.
mixed.
Nice, nice. So you said you
Yeah.
work as a teacher. Is it an English teacher or something different subject you teach?
Yes, actually, I started my YouTube channel before 2 years. So that time I was beginner. I just started learning this language. So after 1 year, I started teaching because I started getting emails from learners. They wanted to learn from me, and I started teaching those people only. Like I teach online. I don't teach
Haha,
offline. Just online. Yeah, some
great.
beginners, some intermediate speakers. Specifically, I help them in their journey. Whatever problems I have faced and whatever challenges I went through, I just help them in their problems. Yeah. And I try
Great.
to just give them a roadmap how they can improve. Yeah.
Great. Good to know. And I can see a lot of books behind you. Even I love keeping such kind of racks in my place wherever I stay. It's actually a good thing, reading books and having them around. It makes you sort of feeling that okay, I'm reading something regularly, I'm learning something, I'm getting something new. It's a good feeling. So, what's your view about books?
I read a lot. This is
Great.
what I want to say. Yes, I read a lot. And like you, when you joined this session, that time like my eyes
Uh-huh.
stuck on your background.
Yeah, yeah.
My eyes got stuck in your on your background because it's so beautiful. It's simple, aesthetic. So you created you by your own. Like, how did you
No,
made it? Really
it's
wonderful.
I downloaded it and just added as my background picture. I love to have such
Okay.
kind of ones. I stay in a PG, so I don't have such kind of backgrounds. But yeah, it's just a kind of image I downloaded and set it.
Wow. It is.
If you could remember one of the books that you have recently read, so what is that book about? And is there anything else that people can actually learn and make you, you know, suggest on that or something?
Yes, recently I completed The Law of Attraction by Mitesh Khatri. I just
Hmm.
finished that book and started reading the thoughts I got from publisher. I have
Mm-hmm.
to review that book. So I just started reading that. I have read only few pages. And one more book I received from an author, that is The Art of Moving On, and I have read yesterday. I
Hmm.
completed it one day. I took a challenge. I want to complete in one day, and I have done
Great.
that in 12 in one day. I have completed that. I just wanted to do something out of the box and tried, and I won. Means I succeed in that. So this book I recently completed, The Art of Moving On. Yeah.
And this example reminds me of my one of the such incidences when I was in my PG post graduation. I did my MA in English as well, and
Mm-hmm.
he was my classmate, come a roommate. Right, I had a book and I wanted to finish it in within a week, and he told me, okay, I can finish it in a day. What will you do? Something, we just uh, spoke in a friendly manner and just challenged each other. I said it's
Mm-hmm.
highly impossible. He said I can do it. Then let's do it. He
Okay.
started early in the morning and he finished by 1 o'clock or 12 o'clock by end of that EOD end of the day. I was really surprised. In fact, flabbergasted. And yeah, it's just really good, when you have that persistence in terms of doing or achieving something. It makes you really, feeling good. Nice then.
Yeah, it pushed ourselves to do something extra. Actually, when the this year started, that time I took a challenge. Like I
Hmm.
want to read 25 books in 2025 because of my English only. I love interacting with people. My channel is growing so well. So
Nice.
just shake off the learning language and improving my wisdom. I started. I took that challenge and I have completed maybe more than 11 or 12 books. So I feel like only 3 months left and I have to cover a lot. Then I thought, no, I'm not going to give up. I will read like whatever I have decided. Then I took that challenge. Let's start reading something. Let's do extra work. Then I did that and
Hmm.
I did that. So
Great.
this
In
is how we
fact,
have to push
in f-
ourselves.
great. In fact, I do the same. I finished so far around 47 or 48 books. I wanted to read at least 100 books in my career.
Wow.
So I haven't even reached half of it. It's actually makes you feel really, really good. And that satisfaction is, inexpressible. That's really good.
Mhm.
So
Yeah.
can you disclose the channel name so that my viewers can uh, watch your videos if possible?
Yeah, it's by my name. Speak with Priyanka Kataria. Speak with
Speak with.
Priyanka Kataria. Yeah, I will share with you. You can tag simply, and they
Sure,
can easily reach out to my channel.
I'll do.
Many people already know because I am having conversation with famous YouTubers, means
Mm-hmm.
which are famous in the this
Mm-hmm.
conversational field. So I'm having sessions with them, and around more than 4,000 subscribers I have. So
Oh,
most of the people knows about
nice,
me.
nice. Great,
Yeah.
great. So what else? Do you have any questions for me? It's in general.
Mm-hmm. Yes, sure. I want to know about your English journey. Like you are teaching now. How did you learn? What are the methods you have used?
It was quite hard the way I learned, but of course later I just took it as I don't say it's a challenge, but I learned it uh, with a lot of passion, I could say. And I didn't have any
Mm-hmm.
proper environment, but I had to create my own environment and speak myself, practicing. It's a self-talk and reading books. Books, of course, I could say it helped me a lot. Books helped me a lot. I haven't started completely, but people whoever is interested, they reach me out and ask me, sir, if you take classes online to practice English. I said, okay, I recently started something. That's when people joined, they joined, and I'm helping them. Number of sessions, something price depends on the sessions. I set up a price So for example, it starts with 799, 8 sessions. It's for two people. Sorry, single person. It's on audio mode. 499 for
Oh.
two people. It's like something 8 session again. That's how I set up. That's how it starts. The max goes with
Mm.
2499. That's how number of sessions, audio, video. They can practice basic conversations. If somebody's preparing for the interviews, I can give interview tips because I take some interviews in my current organization. I know how it functions, what kind of questions will be asked from the interviewers, and how we can tackle and answer them. So I know also soft skills. So I can teach English, soft skills, grammar, about interview preparation, all these things. So that's how I started. Okay, let's start it. If somebody's interested, they can join and learn from me. That's how, I also
So
started
it's
teaching.
kind of freelancing.
No, it's not freelancing. It's my own. People join. They request me. I practice with them, and that's how. Basis of the session planning, pricing, and all. It's going.
Oh,
It's my
okay,
own
great.
platform. Yeah,
Mhm. Okay, so now I feel we both can upload this video. So would you love to introduce yourself so that I can add it and I will upload? You can also edit and
definitely,
you can,
definitely.
yes,
Yeah. Yes,
yeah.
yeah. My name is Rabinaik. I'm from Andhra Pradesh. Currently, I stay in Hyderabad as part of my job. It's Telangana state to be precise. Yeah, up until my graduation, I did everything in Telugu medium. Schooling,
Mhm.
college, graduation, and all. And then in my post graduation, I did my MA English literature, and then I learned French up to B1 level. It's a diploma that I did. And that's when my actual English journey started by interacting with the visitors, foreign visitors. It was an NGO where I did my diploma. So I used to have some visitors where I used to practice. I put French aside and then I started speaking English. So that's how it actually had helped me to have good fluency. I could say a little good, I could say. And then I did recently my B.Ed and then a few diplomas in English as well. It's TEFL, TESOL, and ESOL. It's like certification things. Yeah, I like keeping myself up to date in terms of grammar, speaking, and all this. Hence, I do all this stuff and teaching methodologies, training methodologies. Since I'm in a training, profession, I have to be up to date about all these things, methods, right? Yeah, I started my career as translator, French and English translator, and then soft skill trainer, and then an assistant professor, and now a communication trainer. Yeah, I have the experience teaching from kindergarten to BTech students, MBA students, MCA students, pharmacy, M pharmacy, B pharmacy, and now it's employees, agents, those who are employees working in actually in offices, companies. I train them on their communication skills, how to interact with customers, with via email, chat, and voice. We have blended process, so that's how I train people. And yeah, my hobbies
That
talk
is,
about I read books, as I can relate to you. These days, I started interacting more with people online, and I have to resume again reading books. Of
mhm,
course, listening to music, dancing, and especially choreography. And I'm a YouTuber as well.
mhm. That is why I love this language. Because of this language, I can interact with extraordinary people like you.
Oh, I don't think so,
When
but yeah, thanks for that word.
Yes, because I feel you are doing so many things. You have a lot of experiences, means different field, specifically in communication, but different places, different like
Hmm.
kindergarten to higher education. Like you have a lot of experiences. So that is why I love this language.
Yeah,
Because of this language, we can interact with people. Otherwise, I am an introvert, so it's very difficult to talk in
true, true.
person.
True. And
Yeah.
with YouTube, the advantage we have is we can connect with anybody. It's not from
Hmm.
India. We can connect globally. In fact, I interacted with few people from different countries around, our neighbor countries. So it's actually good when you get a request from people and ask you to speak with them and practice with them. It's a sort of really a good satisfaction.
Just I love reading. I enjoy reading. So that is why I
So
can say.
you are an extensive, come an intensive reader then. You love reading for pleasure or something. It's good. So yeah, anything else before we close the
Uh,
video? It's great connecting with you and sharing all the insights and
Yes, one question I want to ask for learners who are going
mhm,
to watch this video, your learners and your subscribers and my subscribers.
mhm.
There is a there is a hype, or people usually say first focus upon grammar, then you can speak this language. First focus upon your basics, then you can speak this language. So what is your take on this? First they should focus upon
Um,
grammar, or they should
I'm
start speaking?
completely, I'm completely against it. Learning
Mhm.
language from grammar. No.
Yeah.
See, having an idea is good, but relying only on grammar and thinking that if I learn grammar, I can speak good English. No, it's completely not a good idea. They have to start speaking somewhere, and once they are good at fluency, see, for in my opinion, grammar is something. If you want to teach grammar to somebody else, make them understand about language, how it functions, the rules and all. That's when you have to have some idea about grammar and all. But if you don't want to use it anywhere and you just want to speak it and you just have to communicate in your working profession or wherever you want to, then you don't need to be worried about grammar. Nothing. You don't have to be worried much about grammar. So that's what I'll
Correct.
tell even people who join the platform that I'm doing now. So don't worry. So I ask them, what's the purpose that you are joining, right? What's the purpose? Is it for
Mhm.
something you want to be, upskilling to yourself? Is it for your own satisfaction? Getting some
Mhm.
promotions in our, current organization? I ask the reason, then that's when I take sessions. Otherwise, I don't really encourage them. Some people, they just join, they feel, okay, if I join for a week or 10 days, I'll speak good English. No, for 20, 25 minutes, you won't become a fluent person. You don't speak flawlessly. You have to put your efforts, right?
Mhm. Yeah. So many people are going to get angry from you after listening this statement,
I think
specifically
so.
teachers, because they
I think
always
so.
always focus upon grammar. And this happened with me also. Like I received two, three comments when I said in my previous videos,
Hmm.
like don't focus upon grammar, just focus upon speaking. So I
Yeah.
received comments. Why you are saying this? First, they should learn grammar, then they can speak. So
Hmm.
I feel, yeah, people will get angry because they are earning money just because of teaching grammar. They
That's why
teach
learners are
grammar
not
for.
speaking. See, you're teaching grammar. How can they speak? If you teach how to speak, they'll start speaking. They'll improve it,
Mhm.
and that's when they'll feel okay. By joining this session, I learned how to speak. If you teach grammar,
Mhm.
they learn grammar. Then when will they start speaking? When will they have that confidence of speaking in public? So,
Correct. Yeah.
yeah,
So this is reality in our India. Like people, like this is a conventional method. They usually
yeah,
teach grammar. They feel, yeah, that now you can speak. I have taught you everything about grammar. Now you can speak. But how
that's
they can
highly
speak? With whom
impossible.
they can speak?
That's impossible.
With whom they can speak. You have to
Yeah,
provide them
true.
an environment. So in this field, I feel YouTubers are doing great work now. Like I am a
Yes,
YouTuber, so I'm
yes,
providing them an environment.
yes,
Come join me and you can speak with me. Now, like these are
yes,
free sessions. You can just send me an email.
true,
I will provide
true,
you an environment. You can speak with me.
true.
So I think YouTubers
At
are
least
doing great job.
practicing for 20 minutes, 30 minutes or something, they're at least doing something. If they start
Yes.
conversing with all the YouTubers, someday they'll become a YouTuber by having that
Correct.
confidence.
And while
Of
having
course,
conversation, they can feel the language, how they can speak, how they can answer, how they can ask questions.
of
That is
course,
the real practice.
of
So
course
I
it
think
is.
we are doing good job in this way.
Yeah, pat yourself.
Yeah. Okay. So do
Great.
you have any question? Do you want to ask any question?
I think we'll connect again someday. We'll discuss on a particular topic where it can be useful to the others,
Sure.
I guess.
Mm-hmm. Sure. And thank you so much for connecting to me. It was
Yeah.
lovely talking to you.
Yeah. Thank you so much. We'll see you then.
Yeah.
Bye.
Okay. Bye bye.